What's up, guys? New video Monday 19th of July, and let's get this started. So the market is pretty much down. The overall market is down. Stocks market, crypto, the Dow Jones minus 1%, 34,203. My name is Joop. Every day I make crypto videos and stocks. Bear with me, my English is not so good, but I'm from Amsterdam, and I hope to give y'all the information that y'all need to make this money. So without further ado, let's get it started. The Dow Jones is down. The overall crypto market is down. Let me see. Bitcoin, where you at? Bitcoin's at 30,644. I think we're going down. It's a critical level that it passed at 31,000. The next support could be in the range near this. It's got to hold this big level, this big green one of 29,000. But to be honest, I think Bitcoin could go much lower, and it could even go back to 14,500. And this line is the 200-day moving average on the weekly. So with that being said, I think we can go. There's still some option to go down, but first we got to go past this. It's gonna be a big shakeout. Y'all better be ready. Y'all better get your money ready. So let's go to the overall crypto market, the top 100. It's a big red day today. Kusama is down. Let me put this in dollars. 8.8%, 166. Compound minus 10% discount. Dash $111. ICP, a big project. This is $13. SNX $8. But I'm still waiting though, because we still can go down. AVE, I need to buy more of these AVE. And BNB been getting a lot of punches in the face, a lot of jabs. So I basically waited for the market to go down more. I was thinking about to open a short, but in my opinion, I'm already late for that, because this short been started at 30. Let me see. It's been started 31,792. So I'm already late for this. So yeah, we pretty much looking what Bitcoin is gonna do. So let's go over to the stock market. I basically have a whole section, my 8th season section. I'm gonna share this section with you because y'all my followers and I want y'all to make this money. Okay, so AMC is, let me make this big. AMC is $31. The all-time high was $72, and for the day we minus 3%. We still in for the short squeeze, so if you got some money aside, wait till stock get low, because the hedge funds are still manipulating the price, because they still don't got their shorts position covered yet. And that's the same for GameStop. Where's GameStop? GameStop is 162 for the days, minus 3%, 381, minus $6. So I'm still waiting to go down more. But to be honest, at the overall, I want to share this knowledge with y'all. And let's get back. Okay, the Dow Jones. The whole market is basically depending on the Dow Jones. Auto. Okay. Log. Okay, yeah, here we at. So, okay. So basically, the whole stock market, when the Dow Jones is going down, that means the whole market is going down. I don't know if it is for crypto, but as soon as the Dow Jones going down, that means it will take the whole market with it. And the next crisis, I also think is going to take the whole crypto market with it. Why? Because I think there will be a big crisis ahead. And this crisis is going to get planned by our good friends at the WEF, the World Economic Forum. That's what I think they are planning for now. That's why I have a big question mark here. So the first crisis was in 2008 when the Lehman Brothers went down, the banks, the whole financial crisis went down. The second was March 2020 with the whole COVID pandemic. And I think soon, maybe in a few weeks, in a few months, we're going to have another crisis. And that's the moment I will step in the market with some big discount. But because you gotta remind yourself, guys, when we had this COVID crisis, when we had the big crisis in 2008, the whole market was down 53% back in 2007. And for the COVID last March, we was down 37%. You see, 37%. That's a big opportunity. That's a big discount. At these moments, that means you're gonna step in the market with some big money, big fiat money. But the next one, I think it could be 2 times this. I think we could be looking for, let me see, what was it? 36. I think we maybe could go to 55%. So I think we go for 55% discount on the overall market, and this big crisis is gonna happen. So bear with me, guys. Do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. So let me see. Let's get back to Bitcoin. So I'm gonna put this on the weekly. So the next support level for Bitcoin is at the 20,000, 18,000 range here. That was back in November 20. So I do think we could get some support downstairs before we gonna make another leg up. So it could be something like this before we're gonna go back to our previous all-time high, and then further up. So bear with me, guys. Let's see, 1 hour. Let's see. Okay, let's read this. The global market cap is 1.29 billion, a 5% change over the last day. The total crypto market volume of the last 24 hours is 68 billion, 8.8 change. Current top currencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, the total, okay, let's go. Let's go see for ourselves. Let's go see for ourselves. Okay. So this is the total market exclude Bitcoin. We now at 657 billion. So the next support is around this range. And I've been told we even could touch this range. But I'm not sure yet, so bear with me, guys. So now let's go to the overall market of crypto. Let's see where we at. Okay, this one. Okay, this is the total crypto market. You see where I put my marker? This is the range that I'll be buying. This is the range that I'll be buying. You see, it's already touched. It already touched there. You see, it's already touched. And let's see at what. We ain't making jokes out here. Price. Let's see. 1 trillion. So at this price range, I will get some Bitcoin. At this price range, I will buy some Bitcoin. Yeah, so bear with me. Let's go to the SP, the S&P 500. Okay, so the uptrend basically break out the trend first, second, third time. There was a trend line. It basically break out of it. That means the whole market's going down. Let's see what the dollar is doing, guys. The dollar, the big dollar, you know. watch the dollars, guys. You gotta watch the dollars. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at with the dollar? Where we at? Where's the dollar at, guys? Here it is. Okay. We gotta watch ourselves though, because the dollars are always an indication. When the dollar's going up, that means when the dollar's going down, normally that's when crypto is going up. When crypto is going down, that means going good with the dollars going up. They work significantly with one another, so you gotta watch them. So now let's go to AMC. We're still on the weekly. Let's go to the daily. AMC. I think we're gonna touch this $25. That's what I think. I don't know if it's gonna touch it today, but could be. Could be. 29 is the and the 350 is the 350 day moving average. That's the blue line here. So bear with me, guys. My name is Joop from the Clips. Every day I make YouTube videos about crypto and stocks, and I want to share my knowledge with y'all. Let's go to the dark pools. Let me refresh this one. Maybe we can see more activity at the dark pools. Let me refresh this one. Okay, minus 9 billion at the dark pool. That means there are still a lot of buy volume. If this number is a positive number, that means a lot of short volume, but it's still a lot of buy volume. But I can't. Okay, let me share this with y'all. A positive number means that the short. A positive number means that the short volume was higher than the buy volume. A positive number means the short volume is higher than the buy. But it's a positive. But it's a negative number. That means the buy volume is higher. That means we apes are still buying every time they. So every time these hedge funds are playing their games with in the dark pool, that's mean we only buy and hold, apes. That's what we do. We only buy and hold. That's what we do. That's what we apes do. We ain't making no jokes on the daily. You see, so let me see what GameStop is doing. Let me see what GameStop is doing. Let me see. 162. 162. 162. Yeah. Yeah, we still get it popping, bro. I do want y'all to check this website. It's my favorite website. Basically help me where I can make the decision of what the top is. So this orange line is a 250 daily moving average. You see we on top of it. We want to break this line to go much lower. This website, look into Bitcoin, helped me to analyze where the top of the market was. I got another P cycle top indicator. Also helped me where the top of the market was. So here back in April, 11 April was the top at, let me see, 63,484. That was the top. When the green line and the orange line crossed each other, that's the 111 daily moving average and the 350 daily moving average. That's the moment we were at the top. So that was a good moment for me to sell. Let me see what Twitter is saying. BTC reject from black, breaks down from blue support. If BTC is able to turn its red daily candle into a wick and reclaim blue. like sitting in this 20 range. Let's just say AMC will not liking sitting. Do you believe in double-headed monsters? So that what I was saying, soldier head soldier. It was Doge. Okay. Looking for liquidity around the lows as it finally breaks out of tiny range. Yeah. Let me see what the Russell 2000 is doing. True. Let me see which one he had. Let me see. Okay, wait. Let me do it another way. Bam. Let me see right here. What do we see? Ooh. Touched it. That's a 2000 index. Also 2000 index. Touched it. Oh, I think we're going to this place. I think we're going down. That's what the game we be doing. Let me see what these guys are telling us.
What's his Discord name?
Is that the spy bottom?
What's up, guys?
No, it's a bull trap. Your mom's a bull trap. Yo, shut the fuck. Yo, who said that?
Who keeps saying that?
It was E-Dog. Yo,
Nah,
E-Dog.
that's not me.
E-Dog. Yo, E-Dog, come here. Yo, let's throw hands.
Shut the fuck up with these hands. Wait, Moderna is actually catching back up.
Yeah, dude. Should bought back in.
Barclays,
Possibly, though.
what's up?
I did buy back in.
Famous last words.
Barclays, what's up?
No, I did. I bought and then sold for like $27 profit, and then I
How
bought
long do you stay in your position though, like on average?
The market crash is imminent.
I had some Taco Bell last night, so.
Oh no, I already know where this is going.
You're feeling anxious? You feel like.
Well, it's a rush between profit and me having to go to the bathroom. So it's one of the two.
Good for you, man. I'm fucking starving.
I had a wet fart and I'm too scared to check, so now I'm just gonna.
Oh my yeah. Yo, what am I listening to, dude?
Wait, can't you smell it?
I'm too scared to check.
No, B. Dude, that's cheating.
Guys, I bought a Burger King hat, okay?
This is why you wear.
Bro, the baby got me beat, bro. No way, ain't no way.
This poor man, bro. Like,
It's 10 o'clock, bro.
Imagine this dad, right? He's a shitty deadbeat stay-at-home dad. His wife is his wife is working, the breadwinner, right? So he's at home in his computer trading with his measly like $200, losing money. This baby is yelling. He's just like sitting in his own sweat in his underwear, bro. This is like the highlight of his day.
You guys know the meme of the guy holding a cup of coffee?
Jesus, y'all violating him.
Legend, what's up? What's up, guys? Yo, yo. Legend, you there?
No, I'm not. What the
Yo,
fuck?
I knew
Yo,
Clutch
what
was
did
sus.
Clutch,
Yo.
Clutch. I knew when you said you're starting to like me. That's what it was. Red flags.
Oh god.
Oh,
Oh,
Clutch,
yeah.
you gay, bruh.
I'm out of here. I'm buying a spy put.
Wait. Clutch, don't leave. I need you to keep around with me. So when
Can
we
I suck you off, Clutch?
I'm buying another spy
Spies
put.
dropping.
I'm buying another spy put.
This
go
Wait.
all
mad
in on
sus.
wait. What's the call? Wait. What spy put are you buying?
Ooh.
All of them.
This nigga mad sus.
Buy $400 puts.
Yeah, I don't like
Go
the
for
way the
300.
talks to me, honestly, dude. I don't like when people say the N-word like that, bro. I'm uncomfortable now.
Wait, guys. What spy put are we buying?
Bro,
We?
just buy fucking
We?
put. Why are you
Dude,
asking?
shut the fuck.
Who's
Yo,
this
no one's.
we?
What?
Dude,
Yo,
just
buy
who's this
this
we?
one.
Who's this? Yo, we're not trading at
Who's
all.
this we?
Okay, so, yo, you sound mad sus, dude. Honestly, like you sound like a hedgy.
Fuck, you got me.
Fuck it. Let's do it. 2 spy puts. Oh god, I'm gonna throw up.
You guys lost money on AMC.
Not
What strike price? Wait. What strike price?
You're not spread. You're not doing spreads.
400.
No,
I'm
doing
gonna
nakeds.
spread the FUD.
He's doing nakeds, yo.
I have so much naked shorts on AMC.
Yeah, I think I might be naked positions from here on out. This
You guys are the hedgiest hedges of them all.
I am just joking. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before buying or selling a stock. I am not responsible for your losses.
Yeah, ban. We don't want to.
Dude, spy is. Oh my god.
Can you recite that again?
I can't. Yo, this is. This is the first time I'm feeling good as a bear, and holy shit.
Bro, it's down 2%. Do you know how big that is?
I love this volatility either way. Holy shit.
How's
Oh
the
my
big
God, this
doing?
place should not be
The
working out.
volatility must be high as fuck.
This place
Who's
should
in-
not be
who's
working out. Who's doing VIX calls right now? They must be printing.
Dude, what the
You
fuck?
can buy calls on VIX.
Yeah, bro. But
Oh
why
my
the fuck?
God.
Holy shit.
VIX is up. Holy
What,
shit.
bro?
It's 20%. Oh, let me buy an option on this baby. Oh, it's only up 150%.
Guys, where do you buy options?
23. I thought it was gonna crash.
Guys,
Yo, person with the baby.
That's
I
how you
need
know
it,
the
like-
market is about to fucking crash. It's over.
No, I don't think it's over, but.
No, it's
like,
over. This is the dark ages.
Yeah, right.
Shut the fuck up.
It's probably gonna be another lockdown fear,
It's
yeah.
the end of the world as we know it.
If anything, I would get scared if only we crash under 414. That's when I'll be like, okay.
It's gonna crash 99%.
Guys, I checked my fart and it was wet.
But what the hell, boy?
Boy,
Did you try tasting it?
If we go under 414, we're
You
gonna
know,
go
I
400.
don't have much sense of taste, so let me do. I might as well try it now, right?
Guys, if you have to take a shit while you're showering, how would you take the shit?
You know, It tastes like corn.
Wait, Clutch, do you think 414 is possible by 721?
No, I don't think so, dude. Honestly, no. Don't listen to me first of all. Okay, look at my rolls.
Wait, you're my
okay?
financial advisor.
No, I am not your financial advisor.
A
I'm
lot
not doing
of
shit.
Five puts losing me money. I'm not losing money
So
on 5 foot.
you have to wonder what the sell-off is for, and it's because of fear, nothing economic based.
Yeah, it is. It's because of this China. They're all just China news. What do you mean? It is very.
Man,
There's no
fuck
China news.
China.
All they're hammering on the media is COVID fear.
Shut the fuck. It is China. fear.
Delta.
Look.
Delta.
All I'm saying is there's gonna be a point where this is gonna rebound, and I think it's gonna yo. I'm just saying it's the reverse psychology of it, right? You just have to check where it's at instead of guessing. You're reacting. So what I'm saying is, if it this is very unlikely, but if it goes down to 414,
Chinese man.
414, right? It's gonna go to 400. Like.
Tell me right now, have you guys ever in your
But then
life
it'll bounce
seen
back
a
up.
black Chinese man?
Because there's no reason to keep it that low.
Wait,
I've never seen
Black
a
do we
Japanese.
pull down to 414?
No, I've never seen a black Chinese man in my life.
But Chinese man, no. There's a lot of them though now in Africa.
Whoa.
It's like a thing.
That's Africa.
That's double racist, dude. You can't say that.
Uh-oh.
How was that racist?
Uh-oh.
Can't say.
Spies, uh-oh.
Spies were down in.
Uh-oh.
Shit, sell.
That's it. The market is gonna go green now. The collapse was not imminent.
I'm a bad trader is a very bad trader.
These nuts are imminent.
Okay, let's do
That-
spy.
That kid's gonna use up all his day trades in one day.
I've used 2 of my day trades.
I only got 15 day trades, and now
I
my
wish-
account is restricted 90 days.
Awesome.
It gave me a warning that said, you're at 2 out of 3, and I turned off the warning. It gave me
I just kept doing it.
turned
Bravo.
off.
Yeah, this looks
Bravo.
looks
the
pretty bad.
Yeah.
Spy.
I mean, I can probably, if I just open a Weeble account, I can do another 3 day trades, right? And
Yeah, bro.
Oh fuck!
Yeah,
I gotta get going. I have a doctor's appointment. See you guys.
Let the Chinese know what you're trading.
Wait,
No,
Fuck the doctor.
Clutch, can I tell you something before you go?
What?
I had a good time talking with you today.
Okay.
Fuck you.
Clutch,
One more thing.
But
Clutch, make sure to clench your cheeks.
he left,
Yeah.
bro. I was gonna tell him to shut the fuck up before he left. He was actually getting steamed earlier today. Whoever was doing that, people, it cracked me up. It was like, hey, Clutch, shut the fuck up.
Guys, yo, stop biting my fucking ass, bro.
This one's kind of hot.
What shall I
They-
buy?
Blow up their ass there in the shower.
We're getting raped.
Think you should
One
buy
time
it.
I had a nightmare of
Yeah.
Jim Cramer just in dreams saying buy it. It was just.
Anybody ever get their ass bitten? Their asshole bitten?
Easily.
No.
Bitten,
That shit probably hurts.
right?
Hey, WEBL.
That guy's baby would definitely fight hard as hell.
Have you guys heard of the story about Anal Farmer?
Have you watched this video called Mr. Hands?
Have you ever seen?
It's really like a life thing that I feel like a lot of people have done, but I have not. Can you guys hear me?
Man, I'm fucking hating.
Dude, Moderna's actually.
Guys, space is mooning.
Moderna might actually be a play, dude. Because if you look at the chart, dude, this thing just goes straight up. Every time there's more COVID news, it jumps up. Like the last month alone, up $100.
Yo, you might be onto something, dude.
I know, bro.
Guys, if you bought space in the pre-market, you would have been up right now 13%.
On call, what are calls up right
Oh, it's spice drilling like a motherfucker. Holy shit.
Why do you sound like a doofus? You see, this is why I have no friends. I just
did-
violate everybody for no
now? Who's
reason.
this? What's this guy?
You know, he said that spy is crashing.
I'm a bad trader. You sound like someone I used to know, dude. Are you a thin white guy?
No. I'm a thick black guy.
You used to work at a pool.
No, but I'm a thick black guy.
Yeah,
Joe
thick
Biden
abs.
and the CDC said we don't have to wear masks anymore.
I'm gonna take a real quick scalp on Spy and find Quad.
All in.
No, fucking idiot. Might get out for break even. It's not looking good. Come on, motherfucker, crash! I don't care if people just lose money. I want them to make money.
I'm up 50. Oh, 40. Oh, 42. Oh, 38. Oh, 25 on Moderna. Oh, nope. Spoke too soon. I'm down 20 on Moderna.
I got out. I took a
Oh, now I'm up 58 on Moderna. Oh,
took a small loss.
oh, 54. Oh, 58. Oh, 37.
I'm back in.
Oh, 49. Oh, 47. Oh, 50.
Man, this Spy is being a bitch right now. It just keeps doing false breakdown, breakup, breakout to the up and down side.
Does anyone actually like to smell their farts?
You're fucking gay.
Nah, I'd like to put them in a jar and save them for later.
No, I'm serious. Like sometimes they're nasty, but you get used to them and you're like, I kind of like it.
Yeah, nah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, for sure.
There we go. We're getting some volume. Hopefully,
dude,
Spy crashes more.
I'll just rip ass in my bed and I'll be like, God damn, I was fucking smelling.
Oh fuck! Let's go.
But what if you're like cuddling with someone and they're cold underneath the blankets and you just rip one?
Dude,
Like a little
I know this sounds weird, but bro, I've actually lit my fart on fire before.
No,
how
that's a real thing.
It's methane, bro. Your farts are methane.
What?
Yeah.
How far did did you see it or?
Wait a minute. So people that make
Yeah, dude.
methamphetamine, they use farts?
No, dude, methamphetamine and methane are
Alright.
like two different
Have
compounds.
you ever had explosive diarrhea?
You're
I
gay.
think everyone's had explosive diarrhea.
I've only had it once in my life. I didn't know this was a real thing until like it shat out on the wall.
What's an I've never had an explosive diarrhea in my life.
Exactly, dude. I know. I kid you not, dude. It was like an exorcism, right? Like I got in the bathroom, pulled down my pants. I didn't even sit down, right? I was like standing.
No, dude, no.
I just leaned forward, right? Like I
No.
leaned forward. It shot out like a scatter shot, like.
Oh shit! I
Bro,
remember. I
how do
remember
you-
when I was a kid. I was sick, and I just shat on the floor, liquid shit everywhere.
Exactly. It wasn't liquid shit, but this shat out, bro. I kid you not. It was kind of.
It wasn't liquid.
No, it hit the walls. It was like stuff. I felt
Wait,
so bad.
how did you
I left it
clean it off your walls, dude? Like, do you have like?
He
It
broke
was a
the
public
wall.
store.
He broke the
It
wall,
was
and
a
then
public
he had
store,
to
and then I
buy
just
new
walked
one.
away.
Yo,
It's a
so,
public store.
so I want to ask, what's the next stock, guys? What's the
Dude,
next
no
stock?
way.
Yeah, bro.
I'm gonna invest in your dad.
That janitor.
Oh, you're gonna fuck my dad, dude? That's kind of weird.
Bro, have y'all ever
Yeah,
seen
yeah,
a
that's
turd
pretty
in the
cool.
urinal at school?
Yeah, so many times. I've seen so many kids just pull down their pants with their ass out and just piss on the floor.
Guys,
What?
What high schools y'all go to? The fuck?
Did you guys ever have a kid in high school who threw shit on the walls? Like you
Yeah,
go to the
bro.
bathroom.
Did you ever go to a high school where people just wet the napkins and threw it on the roof?
Dude, I'm not kidding. I went to a high school where there was a bunch of pyromaniacs who would just burn a piece of paper and throw it into the boys' bathroom.
I
Fucking funny.
just in my high school I'm not even joking. A lot of black people deal drugs,
Sometimes I wish we
Dude, I used to go to
back
a ghetto
inside.
school. I see what you mean.
and they say "cuh" on the gram, sipping lean. I don't even know.
I had a friend who was like that. I didn't care. He was cool. I didn't get involved in none of his shit, but he was cool.
I kind of want to light my fart on fire.
Man, y'all some pyromaniacs now. Fuck.
Dude, no, trust me, it's like a once in a lifetime experience, bro. Like you have to light at least one fart on fire.
Because I have a lot of
Yeah.
ash hair, and I want to get rid of the ash
That's
hair.
fucking
It
funny,
just
dude.
seems easier if I just burn it off.
It literally burned one fart, bro. Literally, it's that ass. It's like the funnest thing ever.
Dude, you're like you're making fun, but like once you actually do it, like your outlook on life is like completely different.
Bro, we're talking about, dude. We were talking about a fart, the of methane in a lighter and Lysol. I'm pretty much gonna either burn your ass and you have like
No,
a
it's like
burn mark
quick,
on
bro.
your
It's like a quick poof, like a poof of fire, and then
No
just
Big
go.
way.
fucking way. Spy making another low intraday low. This shit
Dude,
is
okay,
Oh
trash.
my
okay,
god,
I'm
my
serious.
spy
I'm
goes
serious.
up.
Okay,
I
so
love
I
it.
want to ask you guys, what is the best stock right now that should I put my money in?
Spy.
I went all in on Moderna, and it's actually
What the fuck is Spy?
Moderna.
Moderna? Fuck Moderna.
What?
Personally, I don't get why. I don't know why I feel like I hate Moderna, but I just hate it.
Yeah,
That's racist.
a phenomenal company. I just hate it. I don't like it.
Yo,
What
what's
the
next?
heck? You hate it or
SPL?
love it? Look at the chart, dude. It goes up.
Okay, like, what the fuck? Let me look into that. Moderna. Wait, Spy is Moderna?
Oh my, bro,
Yeah.
spy is I'm up 5% on my spy
Uh,
put.
So
are you,
Moderna's
I bought it.
becoming part of Spy.
okay,
Wait,
so
Merging.
These dickheads. 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 Why does the squeeze didn't happen yet? Guys, you can follow me on my Discord. I got my own Discord channel. We doing it. Joop community. Where I share all the life stuff. All life. Share all the stuff. Crypto Zane. Let's get it. But the question still remains. Why hasn't the AMC squeezed yet? Retail investors have been diamond handing AMC stock for quite some time. Massive prop to those of you who have been holding since AMC gamma squeeze of late January. You guys have seen it all by now, the gains. After all, we deserve an explanation with so much DD on YouTube, Reddit. AMC is, after all, one of the most heavily shorted companies. The market shorts and hedge funds continue to lose every day. For one, let's start with volume. AMC market volume hasn't been high as we need it to be. Where to see a short squeeze. Although we're finally beginning to see volume surpass June, we also seen it go as high as 7 million. The market is going to need a big volume to come in so we can see price action really move. Well, how much volume do we need for AMC to squeeze? The highest volume we've seen post gamma C was back in February, where the volume reached over 400 million until recently. In June, we saw a surge of new retail investors by AMC stock and volume reached around 7 million. The volume will need to be well over this amount. Trace has mentioned the perfect squeeze setup will require the farm to sit around 600 million plus. Some DD on Reddit has shown the squeeze will most likely occur in the billion volume mark. Consolidation, we've been seeing this with AMC until now. The stock has held really well, consolidating 45 $50. This level of support is indicating investors are mainly holding their positions. Retail investors will need to continue to add their positions and project bullish sentiment if they want to see the price action. We saw AMC reach 70 when the volume surged back in June. It has since come down due to the heavy short ladder attacks. That's true. We've been getting a lot of ladder attacks. Short sellers have been borrowing millions of shares to short AMC stock, and while new retail investors are buying the stock during the dip, these ladder attacks and upsticks have kept consolidating in a stock bad. Is consolidation in a stock bad? Not at all. Consolidation is just a sign a particular stock has found a level of support and has developed strength. Driven the price action up could force short sellers to close their position. However, a new pattern has risen. According to Benziger volume, in AMC stock has been declining, especially in terms of bearish, which indicates the stock is running out of sellers. This pattern is often before if to a large upward swings in the stock. Shorts still need to cover their positions. Let me let this sit here for a moment. rid of this and let me put it big. Okay, let's continue, guys. Shorts haven't covered yet the position, which means they are holding just like retail investors are. The only difference is they're paying an interest fee until they close their position. It costs nothing to hold AMC for the retail investor, but it costs the shorts a hedge of money every single day. More of the story hold until shorts can no longer afford to pay the interest. Yup, that's really all there is to keep living your day-to-day life. When AMC squeezes, you will hear about it. The short borrow fee has been relatively low. Now, unfortunately, the short borrow fee for the short has been relatively low the past several weeks, at least according to Finda. This just means the fees aren't hurting shorts too bad from the interest right now, although they continue to lose million which every day. 1.4. Shorts continue to bet against AMC in efforts to bankrupt the company, but the company is actually doing great right now. Yep, although bankruptcy is officially no longer on the table and all movie theaters are now open and AMC Entertainment is bringing in huge revenue from new movie titles. Yeah, I don't understand their logic either. This interest fee really doesn't affect retail investors. Whether it's low or high, it's costing hedge funds money, and at the same point, compound interest will really be hitting them hard. It will be in short best interest to close their position now while their fee is still low and the stock price is around the mid 40 range, because as soon as the stock price goes back up and so does the borrow fee rate, they'll wish they had closed sooner. One that costs more shares to float into market to achieve. This information was what older apes experienced month back and will be included in this for record purposely. One of the reasons why AMC didn't squeeze month back was due to the want to continue sell-off every time the stock would come near $40. This slowed the growth process significantly. Here's how it happened. With Wanda converting Class B shares to Class A shares that essentially put more shares out into the market. This happened quite some time ago. But it's worth mentioning because it goes back to this previous news, and Wanda no longer has a position. Key retailer will need volume in order to squeeze shorts out of the position. Wanda Group had few red days. Wanda is a group based in China who has been AMC biggest shareholder for quite some time. Unfortunately, Wanda had taken profits every time stock rose $14. This was usually, I had this article, stock market manipulation. Yeah. Final verdict. Regardless, manipulation. The price has moved significantly. One more stocks price hits. Further, we'll begin to see. Okay. That's me. We gotta hold, apes. We still gotta hold. We gotta hold. Just hold your positions. Where we at? 32. As soon as it get under the $30, we will get much lower today. My next buy opportunity is here around the $25. And the last position are $12. But I don't know if you're gonna hit these price ranges. Let's see. GME 165. 165. Oh, we got some green candles on the daily. We got some green candles. Oh, yeah. Down. What's Tesla doing? Tesla is the next 350-day moving average is around the $400. $400. BTC. Okay. Okay, guys, go check my Twitter. Check my profile. Is where I share a lot of things on crypto and stocks. Joop from the Clips, that's me. I hope you learned something today. So keep buying AMC. If you got some money aside, put some money in AMC or GME. As you can see, the big players didn't even cover they didn't cover their shorts. And be ready for some big attack. Some big crisis is coming. Our friends at the World Economic Forum planning something big. So with that being said, I've been an hour deep. And I hope you learned something from this live. With that being said, we keep it hot, we keep it banging. And I'll see y'all in the next live.